Politricks watch. This is RP. Now, today I'm going to talk about Jack Seal badness. You might think to yourself, Jack Seal? The Jack Seal with the Uptown? Isn't Jack Seal like utopia, where like all the trillionaires gather? Jack Seal is a big place. Matter of fact, every quote-unquote uptown community, every place where you think about what them say, right? You know, it's some kind of like Uncle some place of Beverly Hills and them place there. Iron Man now on a real rich part. Let me break it down. Let me talk about this video. Iron Man now have no real rich part, right? Unicorn meat. Every place only thing say, right? It's some kind of, you know, wealthy utopia right next to it or right in it, one part of it. I'll look in a city there. We're going to talk about a place called Tavistock because people dead. Remember me do the video upon the YouTube? Michael Reynolds. Remember that case then? Tyreek and you know, people dead and the grand spend on the Barbican. Well, a youth will link to that. Kill him at Jack Seal, I'm going to talk about it. Before I'm going to that, Sunday, I have a next video where I go upset Sheep Nation. I don't know a Sheep Nation, that's the people that move Barabbas, so easy to lead. But I know you should realize, all things sheep can do is group up and make noise. That's it, just to group up and make noise, nothing more, nothing less. So Sunday, they might have to group up and make more noise. You might have seen in the papers, say Barabbas, right, the British, the colonial daddy order Iron Man to pay the legal expenses of Barabbas. If you know, I'm telling you a long time, say Barabbas is Billy Joe's puppet. Just like most of these entertainers, you think this is just organic. You think it's by chance that most dancehall artists, most of the female artists, the same thing with hip hop. You think say Sexy Red and Sukian and you think this is organic. I tell them that these people are handpicked. Which oppressed ghetto youth where the system of fight against continues to get bailed out every step of the way. This is why anybody from any corner of the world drop a Iron Man and conquer, you know. Billy Joe has been bailing out Barabbas from day one. Some random Gwinnett. Just take it up on ourselves to be fighting the Barabbas cause. I want to see all them things that are not scratching the head at no point. Who you know tamper with them own jewelry and then get rewarded for it by the colonial establishment. But say, alright, even though them tamper with them own jewelry, you don't have to go pay for him legal expenses. Where do you see that happening? This is Billy Joe's puppet. Sunday video going to be real interesting because enough time I drop a video. A man from Trinidad, man from Philly, man from Bahamas, and look me and say, no, sir, the same thing. Right, that person here over here, so say, like somebody who is similar to the local YouTuber, and it's the same thing in point out and the same thing we notice. How can it be? How come we live a time we go through the same thing and the same people, them with the same artists, and the same this? Because it's common design. Right. Barabbas, Gen Z, Jezebel, Sexy Red, the whole of them are Bill Joe pick to them. Look out for on the video. Jack Seal. As me say, remember the whole Michael Reynolds matter. Do the video upon it. The name Tyreek and all them things. People are dead. I said the police did end up Wallamp and Reynolds. Well, a youth then called Kashi. My real name Nashan. Right. He my friend them with the youth. Or he's friends with the youth them where Reynolds did have him issue with. I feel him friend them dead. Well, Kashi was killed. Sunday gone. They never find him body till the Monday cause shooting start and man start running. If you don't know that part of Jack Seal have someone for bush. Right, man run a bush and then couldn't find, so the next day they went up search and find for him body. It wasn't him alone. Two of them dead. Right. The next youth, young youth, right, two of them a go home. Right. Sunday day, they go play ball and I go home and the man ambush them. Right, you have Kashi and you have Papa. Right, now Papa, right, it appears him just dead cause him dead. Right, that Kashi them did really want. That's pop up on your screen right there, so. Young youth. This right there, so, is Kashi. Everybody from that side, anybody from Jack Seal side, Tavistock side, Even people from down Grand Spencer side, Barbican side, I'm say them no go cash is known in the streets. As you can see the morning start, people say, Cashy, rest in heaven. People have to go feel it for you guys. Hear that? People have to go feel it for you. Because that means it's money never did back. That's how the street work. Rest in heaven. Rest in heaven. See, this is why I don't want a Jamaican. So already, I'm through with Jamaicans and their fake religious, fake, loving God and all them things that they just make up things as them go along. Right? Rest in heaven. Right? The amount of time I see this, every time one killy drop, every time one chopper drop, every time the Dan drop. Rest in heaven. Heaven must be a real nice place. The Jamaican idea of heaven, listen to me carefully. The Jamaican heaven, the heaven where Jamaicans start about, whichever heaven that is, me no want go. It must be a real nice place. Cashy and Termite and Roderick and everybody up there sing song. These people just make up things as they go along. You can't take them serious. When Jamaicans send one barrel full of rifle to a yard, and then you say gun them get past customs, them say look at God. Them say nobody but you, Father, you make the gun them get past customs. Thank God, thank Jesus. People are dangerous. Rest in heaven, Listen, whatever happened to people after they're dead, wherever they go, I'm putting it out there right now. I'm throwing this into the universe. Wherever people go when they're dead, wherever is the Jamaican section, me don't want to go over there. Wherever the Ironman them go when they're dead, please not send me go there. Me can't deal with them again. Right, I've dealt with delusional and acidic Jamaicans all my life on earth. I've dealt with them in life. Me can't deal with them in a death. I do not want to go nowhere. Right, with Termite and Cashy and Roderick them there. And these highly acidic Jamaicans who even Monday to Saturday and then Sunday holier than thou. I do not want to deal with Billy Joe's house and field egos in the next life. And wherever I go in there. I can't manage it. Right, my stomach no strong, so. I don't want to see none of these bleach out acidic sheep, right, in our next life. Rest in heaven, Termite. When you look at the Roderick with wingspan him back, it's extraordinary. Anyway. Then you can't tell me that because my God said the God me serve said you can rape, pillage, plunder, scam everything, dog, and every time ready me to say, oh God forgive me and then go heaven. So when Cashy them dead, people automatically tied it to the whole Reynolds situation because I must say when Tyreek them dead and man would it depend on the scene and man are friends so people know. So we look like Reynolds, send back to kill back that money after that. And when court time come then the witness will get this and but here's the thing. The nature of the quote unquote work where Cashy involved in a chopper life them live. So it cannot come from any angle. And when time you really start asking questions and you realize nobody really sure. But naturally because Reynolds benefit from all of them getting killed. You know, see people go look there so but and you might have said, but isn't Reynolds in jail? Then I stop man. Man that jail and still make man dead any time. Plus man of the links are road. But when time them play ball, people already watch them. You know, it's always interesting how after the fact, everybody see everything. So people that play ball and man, they already spot the shooters not care a study and a watch man and when time they left. The car left a little bit after and the people say all that and when time somebody dead. And at the time the people say, oh you know say different stream is still in time the youth park corner so still and still in time I hide up the gun still now. I saw the story them always going on. And if I true cash them involved in that quote unquote game the white people say they're not intervene now about regular man dead and then people there's like witnesses who they see when the car pull up and see when the window wind down and student and the man pint on the man and student and then I say, hold on, so you see all this not the build up and then but I guess people are going to say, well they don't want to get involved because they're going to get involved and then man will come back for them so I'm saying no it already in Iron Man already. But Jack Seal, apart of Taffy Stack. Can get spooky sometimes. Yeah. Even at the rich part of the part of Jacksonville where you hear about the most, even that gets spooky sometimes. Yeah, man. Man get all the house broken and people get tied up in and robbed and man dead in a Jacksonville. Same thing with Cherry Garden. My master Ratchet them that live at Cherry Garden. Ratchet dead at Cherry Garden. People get murdered in a Cherry Garden too. Yeah. All them places I don't want to think more. Yeah. Some don't know so enough I done them have them house them Uptown. We talk about Uptown like it's immune to criminals and criminality. Criminals live Uptown too. Same thing I'm over here. People talk about Iron Show like say, a whole heap of big time criminal like Iron Show. Whole heap. Beer rifle and all kind of things. But anyway, going to Ironman and it's in the quote unquote rich area, right beside it, or right sometime in it, like it's around like one little quote unquote bad man place. You might live a foreign and think so well, Beverly Hills and them place there. You know, you drive for miles and miles and miles and all you see are mansions and mansions and mansions and much billionaires see over here, so that's Iron Man still. People are living in a false sense of security. Always the right on your doorstep. Always. Iron Man is a place where you're going to one community or one area, you make the left turn and you're going to the quote unquote rich area, you make the right turn and you're going to the bad man place, and they're in the same general vicinity. Except one of them, the house them value 200 million and the next one the house them value 20. But them they same place they can fling a stone from one to the next. The reason why enough people quote unquote uptown really make more noise about crime is that people don't really bother them so randomly. Or at least not often. Enough people know who love tell about we need to talk about the good things them. Because they have a false sense of security because them say sci-fi them not cross the border from Tavistock go look for them. And not for them part of Jacksonville. If that was to happen, the same people might tell about talk about the good things them, I go start talk about yo, done the crime. Yo, we need to bring in this and bring in that. Anytime you see somebody on TV that don't play murder and Iron Man, or because them tell themselves, me that the good part, man, me alright. But the good part can turn the bad part real fast, town and neighbor. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Patreon Squad, stay circling. Bless.